I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April the 22nd to April the 30th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So dun po tayo nagla-live and hopefully makasali kayo, no? Para makapagtanong kayo on the spot. And Sagittarius, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Pasensya na, medyo late tayo ngayon. Alam nyo naman na ang mga practitioners, spiritual practitioners, kapag Holy Week po, no, pumunta sila sa mga lugar to meditate and to enhance their powers. I did my part there, so marami ko natutunan, no. Hindi ko na masyadong nakita, no, or nagabayan itong aking schedule. So kaya medyo na late tayo. Pero babawi po tayo next month. Again, patawad. Magsimula na tayo, Sagittarius. It felt like meron ditong sinasabi ninyo na hindi pa tayo tapos. Pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung person mo. Pero one thing's for sure, meron ditong nangako, babalikan kita. Chances are, meron kayong mga challenges. Sabihin natin, hindi naging maayos, no? Itong inyong pag-uusap. There might be some physical or energetic separation. So, physical separation, this is literally, no, yung person nasa malayong lugar. Sabihin natin lumayo, umalis, what have you. Energetic separations, ito po yung mga sabihin nating separations na kahit nagkikita naman kayo, pwedeng hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. Ito, nangyayari ito sa mga magkaka-opisina, magkakaklase, no? Hindi man kayo or mag-asawa na nasa isang bahay pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. Or this might be a combination of both physical and energetic. One thing's for sure, sinasabi dito na meron lang tayong hidwaan, meron lang tayong away. Pero hindi ito nangangahulugan na tapos na itong relationship natin, no? With the 10 of Swords, the Strength card, and the 10 of Pentacles. I feel like yung isa dito nagsusuyo na or sinusuyo na yung isang tao, but then yung isa hindi pa ready, no, makipag-usap, hindi pa ready para sabihin natin magkaroon ng discussions para ayusin yung mga bagay-bagay. I feel like meron dito nakapagbitao ng isang salitang ayoko na. Sinasabi dito na siguro, no, meron ditong part na sinasabing I already made my point, na kumbaga na trigger mo ko, ito yung pinaka sabihin nating rurok, no, ng aking init ng ulo ng galit. Hindi ko mapapatawad, no, so far. So sinusuyo naman itong isa, sige na, okay na, no, whether it is verbal or sabihin nating energetic, no, yung parang sinusuyo na nagpapadala na ng bulaklak. Someone is reaching out, yung isa ayaw pa kita kausap. Or to a point, siguro ayaw na kitang kausap, no? 10 of Swords is clarified by the 3 of Pentacles and the 8 of Cups. So, yung isa naman, syempre malungkot of course dahil yung communication, no, nagre-reach out na nga ako, nagpapakumbaba. But then again, no, ito naman yung sa kanya with the Eight of Cups, mahal pa rin kita, pero hindi pa kasi. I think that may sinasabi ditong you should learn something. Meron ditong parang sinasabi din na dapat iniisip mo muna yung sinasabi mo dahil nakakapikon, no? Let's check some more. Meron din ako dito nakikita because of the Three of Pentacles in here. I think that there's learnings, no? On this situation na parang these probably happened for the both of you to understand the real dynamic, no? Kung ano ba yung talagang meron kayo. With the Fool card, the Knight of Swords, and the Page of Cups. So parang, anong nangyari nito? Parang unforeseen, hindi talaga to inaasahan, bigla-bigla na lang nangyari. Masaya kayo kanina or masaya kayo the last time na nag-usap kayo. And then all of a sudden, boom, nagkaroon ng commotion na hindi na control, no? Parang meron din dito matabil yung dila na nakapagsalita ng kasi with the Knight of Swords, parang hindi rin inaasahan. This is the fastest running knight, no? Or the fastest knight actually dito sa suit. The Knight of Wands is okay lang yung timpla. The Knight of Cups, ito yung mabagal. Knight of Pentacles is stuck. So parang nasabi ko, hindi ko, kumbaga, napikon yung isang tao na nakapagsalita, no? Yung kanyang partner, na pwede rin itong sabihin natin napaka-insensitive, no? Kasi bigla-biglaan, parang immature. There might also be some age gap. Yung iba sa inyo, it could be a May-December love affair. Pwedeng hindi rin naman, baka konti lang yung gap, no? Or, pwede natin din sabihin na immaturities. If we're not talking about numbers, this might be the immaturity, no? With the Chariot, the Page of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. I feel like kailangan lang ng pahinga. A Chariot signifies surpassing the challenges, and I can see here with the Page of Swords, ito yung magkakaroon tayo ng agreement, no? And the Ace of Cups, babalik din naman itong emotion, babalik din naman itong love, na parang medyo nawala or medyo kasi nangibabaw dito yung inis, yung galit, yung gigil, no? Let's get some message from the universe kasi parang nagkapikunan lang ito eh. Siguro masakit nga yung nasabi kaya isa medyo nagtampo at parang below the belt, no? The Knight of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. So, ganun ba kalala or ganun ba kasakit yung nasabi kasi kung gaano kabilis, no, makapagbitaw ng isang salita yung tao, yung pain, parang nandun pa. Pero at least it is, hindi siya naka-stock, no? Parang nagfa-fluctuate na. Kakausapin ko ba? I think kailangan lang ng konting suyo. And with the Seven of Cups, it signifies more options. Baka naman kasi kailangan pa rin, no, kung sino man yung nanunuyo, baka kailangan naman ng ibang strategy of pagsuyo, baka kailangan ng post, it might be a public apology. Kung napahiya siya sa maraming tao, I feel like there's also need some evidence in here kung kinakailangan, no. Ang pinakamaganda is siguro ito yung tinatawag natin taking responsibility na oo, ako yung mali, no? Umamin kung sino yung nagkamali dahil masakit nga. It may be a petty thing for a specific person, pero dun sa kabila, it's a big thing, di ba? Sa'yo parang baliwala lang yan, pero sa akin malaking bagay yun at nasasaktan ako doon, no? So, bago natin tignan ang zodiac sign ng iyong person, for you to parang ibabangga mo, no? Yung zodiac sign, if this really meant for you. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code for your reference. And gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Pisces, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus is here, Virgo is here. Yan. So that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.